Best moment in life. Welcome to this guided meditation practice for the best moment in life. Gently place your hands on your lap. Your back, neck, and head are extended but not too tight, whatever feels most comfortable for you. Softly close your eyes. As you settle yourself in, pay attention to the movements in your body. Notice whether you can invite more stillness and peace into these movements. Welcoming the breath. Welcoming more space with every in-breath and letting go of any tension or worry that your body and your mind may be holding onto for the day ahead. Acknowledge that you are right where you need to be in this moment. Becoming in tune with your body and mind, take a moment to realize that you are present in this moment. Taking in the things around you. Just a simple awareness of where you are. As you maintain this soft awareness, begin to deepen your breath. Breathe in, noticing the air flowing through your nose. Observing its touch point inside your nose. Observing the pause, its length. And as you breathe out, observing the air flowing back out of your nose. Just noticing the sensations of the breath. The feeling of air coming into your body. And then leaving, carrying any tension, worry, or stress with it as it no longer belongs with you. Trust the breath. Allow the breath to relax you deeper and deeper. You are becoming softer. Calmer. At this very moment, you are right where you are supposed to be. Just here. Being with the breath. With your body, mind, and soul. Now, as you follow the rise and fall of your breath, I want you to imagine walking towards a waterfall in an enchanted forest. You walk gracefully toward the sound of the water, taking the time to see and feel your surroundings truly. You can feel a deep connection with all life forms in the forest. As you walk, floating above the forest floor, you sense the quality of the air changing, an electrifying feeling as if the air were charged with energy. When you walk around a huge tree, the light suddenly becomes brighter. You have emerged from the forest and are now facing a waterfall. A curtain of white water is now revealed, cascading down a series of rocky outcrops into a blue river below. The mist from the waterfall settles on your skin, cooling your body, relaxing every muscle, invigorating all of your senses. You sit down gracefully on a large rock facing the waterfall and gaze at the water's edge. The waterfall's energy sends small waves towards you, and you watch the waves come forward, then recede, in an endless symmetric, rhythmic, and calming. Just like the breath. Inhale slowly, and feel the waterfall's energy transferred into your body. There is such power and brilliance in the tranquility, a place of stillness even in the roar of the water. You are feeling completely relaxed. Breathe deeply here. You have all the time you need. As you continue walking forward, let the water fall directly onto your head, neck, shoulders, chest, and back, and all the tension in your body disappears. You sense how each drop of water is different, having traveled a different path to reach you, yet the drops of water come together as one flowing stream to form the waterfall, gently massaging your neck and shoulders. You pause to enjoy one last, slowing breath, savoring the energized feeling that causes your body to glow with happiness. Your mind is at peace, your body is relaxed, your vision crystal clear. The birds sing in the trees, and little animals scurry about playfully, celebrating the joy of life. Temporarily transporting yourself to these times and places help you get your power back over the situation causing your anxiety or stress. Now, as your mind and your body fall deeper and deeper into relaxation, If you can, bring to mind the best moment you have had in your life. It can be absolutely anything. And suppose you cannot bring anything to mind. In that case, that's okay. Just think of a moment that would portray this special moment. This magnificent desire. Allow whatever flows into your mind to be inviting. Without any judgment. Without any pressure. Just observe. Allow this moment to come to you. As you take soft, gentle breaths. And now, once you have fully invited this moment into the view of your third eye, embrace it. Embrace it fully with all your 5 senses. Absorb all the emotions that may arise to the surface now. Permit them to overflow. To fill every single inch of your physical body. You are glowing in joy. You are bathing in these depths of happiness and joy. As you recall the best moment in your life. Right here, right now. Take it all in. Your body is calm. At peace, quiet, yet so energized and alive, full of gratitude and appreciation for having this best moment in life stay with you for a bit longer. As this practice ends, slowly allow your attention to expand and notice your entire body. Perhaps wiggle your toes, move your head from side to side. Become aware of your surroundings. Beginning to softly move your body and re-engage with the activities of your day. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes, and come back fully alert and awake. We congratulate you for spending some time with your body, mind, and soul in this way. Globe Social Network, New York Bureau.